My heart was yours every night, every day. Everything that I cherished, every penny I made. Then you suddenly left me after all these years, with too many memories and a river of tears. I remember Lake Tahoe and that midnight storm, swimming bare in the moonlight, finding ways to keep warm. Swore we'd always be lovers, come what may. But a river of tears now stands in the way. A river of tears that's running wild. I find myself crying sometimes like a baby child. A river of tears, so deep and so blue. Oh, my aching heart cried over you. They say that the water will wash you clean, redeem all your sins, and set you free.